Nissan Latio. Problem at the gear. You can see this is the auto pedal. So when I push this, it's not shift to the gear, just a free. You can see like a free. So maybe have a problem inside this. Inside this cover need to open, and then need to checking what happened. Maybe some broken part here. Okay, this is a Latio HR16. So after I open all the cover, you can see I open all the cover. I will see this have a broken part here. If you can see this item was broken, you can see this item is broken, so need to change or modify to make the gear can operating back to the normal. So you can see inside, you can see the broken item here. Need to put it back to normal. Okay, that's all guys. Thank you. Okay, you can see right now so after put back at the position or at the gear knob, gear hook, so right now the gear was normal. You look, can put it back here. Before this is too free. This knob was too free. Right now you can see the step of gear, drive or parking was back to normal. Okay, that's all guys, just for sharing. If your gear can't to change to the drive or something. Thank you very much. So you can see the indicator right now. Okay, this was back to normal.